Hi guys, I am astrologer Kapoor from Delhi. I am Vedic astrologer, palm reader, numerologist, and psychic readers. I am in this profession since 35 years, working as a life coach, 35 years experience. I am also making the horoscope and matchmaking because our Indian astrology is more accurate and more precise than any other astrology. And even you will see our Indian astrology is an endless subject. Every day new research are coming, new things are coming. If we see your Western astrology, so that it depends upon Sun planet. And Sun transit one house after 1 month. And suppose a person born on 23rd of October until 22nd of October. So they are Scorpion. So you will see between this month who born, everybody is Scorpion. But not like this in Indian astrology. Indian astrology is a depends upon moon planet, and moon transit one house after 2 days and 6 hours, and even our every ascendant, every lagna change after 2 hours and 15 minutes. So just to imagine, in 24 hours, 12 ascendant changed. Even you will see our nakshatra, 27 nakshatra is there, and beside nakshatra we have a moon sign, moon chart, we have a Navansha chart, we have a Dasam chart. So like this we have a lot of charts. So we have to analyze everything. Beside this, there is a main period of the planet is there, sub period is there, in sub period is there. So through Indian astrology you will find more deep and more accurate predictions. So you should try once for uh, Vedic astrology. It's the branch of Vedas. It is related to Vedas, and it is a very our Hindu very oldest holy book Vedas, and so that is the Vedic astrology is related to that our holy book Vedas. It especially it is related to Rig Vedas. I am also providing the consultation, prediction, solution, and remedies. So if anybody has a problem with their finance problem, if anybody has a problem with their business, career, jobs, or if anybody has a problem with education, health, love relationship, marriage problems, or relationship problems. So consultation is available for all the problems of different sphere of your lives. And here I am using 6 methods together. That is Vedic astrology, Western astrology, palm reading, numerology, psychic reading, and face reading as well. So when we calculate everything, so you will find more accurate and more precise prediction than any, and you will get a permanent solution for your problems and accurate predictions. And astrology is a guidelines, and that tell you because ascendant is our lagna is our whole life. What is the position of the planet during the time of our birth? So that makes our life according to the position of the planets. And we are making prediction according to transit of the planets through moon sign. Then we also calculate the palm reading. Palm reading is also play important role in our lives, because there is 4 lines are very important lines in our hand. One is a lifeline, fate line, head lines, and brain heart line. Beside this, mount of planets is there, because every planet had its own mounts. Like this is for Jupiter, this is for Saturn, this is for Sun, this is for Mercury, this is for Venus, like this. And also numbers play important role in our lives. If you calculate numerology, we say numerology, there is 1 to 9 numbers. 1 number represent the Sun, 2 number represent the Moon, 3 number represent the Jupiter, 4 number represent the Rahu, 5 number represent the Mercury, 6 number represent the Venus, 7 number represent the Ketu, and 8 number represent the Saturn, and 9 number represent the Mars. So suppose anybody born on 3rd of November 1965, or it means number 3. Number 3 is the number of Jupiters. So it means Jupiter or number 3 is your driver number, your root numbers. Or when we calculate all the numbers, 3rd of November 1965, calculate, it comes 8. So 8 is your destiny numbers. If your destiny number and root number is friend, that is good. You will get more success. And you can change your lives to make changes in your names also. And it is also the part of numerology. So friend, anybody is interested, because I am providing online services, offline services, and I am also on my Facebook, Diksha Astro Kapoor. I am also on Instagram, astrologer_Kapoor. I am also Google on my business, Diksha Astro Destination and Solutions. I am also on YouTube, Diksha Astro Kapoor. If you want, you can join my WhatsApp 981-8025-969, 981-8025-969. So you can contact me, and you will find more appropriate prediction, solutions, and remedies through which you can change your lives. So thank you, friends. If you are interested, please contact me. And definitely, I assured you, you will be satisfied with my consultations, because my prediction are going each and every country of the world. Because our Western people are believing in our Vedic astrology too much than any other astrology. So once you try, friends. Okay. Thank you very much. Namaste.